It's that time of year again when we're planting spring flowering bulbs. Another common question that I get asked is how deep and how far apart would you plant individual bulbs?
The rule of thumb that I work to is to go 3 times the depth of the bulb. I'm looking at this hyacinth bulb right here and I'm estimating it's 5 centimeters deep. So in this case, we need to go 15 centimeters deep with our planting hole. The spacing, another rule of thumb, is twice the width of the bulb apart. So 15 centimeters down, take our next bulb, 10 centimeters apart, same depth, pop it in, nose up. Backfill very gently. This time of the year, typically we're planting spring flowering bulbs in the autumn when the ground is moist anyway, so typically it doesn't really need watering, but mulch is sometimes a good idea.
Yeah, mulch is definitely, it locks in moisture, but also it does add that extra layer of insulation for the winter protection. Now they're planted pretty deep, so there isn't that much of a worry of frost getting at them, but the extra layer of mulch does help, definitely.